Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking kitchri. And this is another vegetarian dish. So first I'm going to melt the butter, and I'm using salted butter. Now I'll add the onions. And I'm just going to saute this. I have all-purpose seasoning, salt, jeera, roasted garlic, and black pepper in here. I already washed the dhal, so I'm going to add the dhal now. And boiling water. And we're going to cook the dhal until it's half cooked, and then we will add the rice. I'm going to cover and continue to cook. The dhal is half cooked now. I'm going to add the rice. And we're going to cover and continue cooking. It's almost done. And the kitchri is almost done. And the kitchri is finished cooking. Here is my kitchri served with my homemade mango achar and lemon achar. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.